Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and watching the channel. We appreciate it. I'm out here this morning. We are going to make some adjustment to these doors. I told you in the last video that these were kind of sticking and dragging. Well, I did some research and it's because I put the 3 wheels up there. So I need to take the center wheel out, which means we're going to have to slide it all the way out, and then I'll get up there and take that center wheel out, and then we'll put it right back. I hate to say it, but it should be pretty easy. Every time I say that, I jinx myself, but that's just the way it goes, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna take those center wheels out, and then we're just gonna put some black tarps that we went and picked up last night from Harbor Freight up for now until we get the wood up there. But we can't put the wood up there until we get the concrete down here. Because we may have to take those big doors out to get the concrete where we want it up against the building there. Not exactly sure. We'll have to look at that. But this way we will be able to take them out and do what we need to do as far as the concrete and getting slope in there and everything we need. So hang tight. Let me get set up here and we'll get this knocked out.
Which one are you doing first?
Well, I'm going to take the things off first, the nuts.
Both of them?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Essentially.
Okay. Where is we're gonna be?
Yeah. Let's see what happens, I guess. What do you want me to do?
Just, pull it your way and
pull?
Yep.
So it's off?
Yep.
So do I need to lift?
Yeah, and then pull out your way.
You're gonna have to tell me when we're getting close.
Yep.
Hang on, I gotta turn.
You're about 18 inches away.
Do I need to put this wood underneath it to support it?
No, probably not.
Out this way?
I mean, it's up to you.
I'll just bring it up a little.
What's going to be in your way?
How much more?
Keep coming.
Well, I just wanted to kind of keep it braced up in case. Get out?
Okay, hold on.
Huh?
Hold on. Okay. Okay, let's walk her back in. You have to pick up and then walk in.
Hang on. I got to get in the right position.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let me turn here.
About 2 feet.
I'm going to start lifting.
Yep.
I'm like stuck on something. Something's blocking me. There we go.
Okay, hold on. You're actually going to have to go back just a hair and then go forward. Okay, now you're going to lift.
I'm lifting.
Oh, hold on.
4.
Hey, nope, hold on. Okay, all good? Yep, we're in.
Oh.
Okay, that's a no-brainer.
Gliding better?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Okay. Don't put 3 wheels on barn doors.
Note to
Bad
self.
idea. I try to overbuild. Well, this one bit me. Okay. That made a huge difference. Taking that 3rd wheel out, because what it was doing, it was binding up. I looked it up last night, and they said that the foot that I have it in on each side is perfectly fine. But the 3rd wheel, the center wheel, was putting in a bind, and so that was their first recommendation, was to remove that wheel. And immediately once I took it out, you could tell that it was sliding much easier. So note to self, when the kit comes with 2, Don't try to overthink it. And I do that a lot. Try to overbuild it, overthink it. So what I'm putting up here is a couple of bolts to keep the rails from coming out, and hopefully this fits. Yeah. So there's just a bolt with a nut on the inside and then on the outside here. And that should keep them from rolling out.
Hello. Like I said, no, I sent you a picture. We're getting ready to put the tarps on the doors for now. So look at your email.
Sunshine or what?
Yeah.
Why are you putting tarps on the doors?
Because he can't put wood on it till after he puts the cement on.
Oh, I got you. Okay, all right. Oh, so the door's up and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, we got it up yesterday, right there.
This is the kind of door that we need to put in her hay barn.
He said this is the kind of door you need to put in your hay barn.
We need to put
Hi.
in the hay barn.
He said. So you can look at your email, you'll see the two big doors. But I'll take another picture after we get the tarps on. It's just to prevent kind of crap coming in during the winter and snow and all that until he pours the pad. Which he's got to have a nice day to pour the pad. But I told him to get it ready in case there is a nice day somewhere. Is this the right way though we're going?
I don't know. No idea. Well, let's just think it's 12 feet wide, right? So pull it out. So yeah, that's the right way.
Yeah.
So now we just need to...
So are you tacking it on the inside?
Well, let's tack it up first, and then we'll assess what we need to do from there.
Let me find, where's the... I know, but when we drop it, where's the inside?
So right there's one.
So we need to flip it this way. You need to flip it this way. Because here's the, you want the black on the outside. You know what I mean right here?
Oh, yeah.
Right here. Right?
Yeah.
Or do you want to wrap it just on the end so it won't bind in the middle? You know what I'm saying?
You gotta come this way quite a bit. You gotta come this way. It should be. Huh. That's interesting. It's not 12 feet, or yeah, 12 feet.
It's stuck. Mine's stuck on the... There it goes a little bit. There.
Alright, so how much you got hanging over the board there?
From here to here.
So come my way a little bit more. Right there. So I got about 6 inches hanging over. What you got?
Here to here. So, I mean, are you going to wrap this?
Yeah, I'll probably wrap it around.
And screw it on the inside?
Yeah. Yeah. So let me get one in here.
So are you wanting to keep even with the top here?
I think so. Yeah, that'd be the easiest way to wrap it, I think.
No, I mean right here. Flush.
Yeah.
Can.
Correct.
I don't think they cut it straight because look, you got to dip.
Oh.
Dip down.
Maybe why it's cheap.
Well, minus. Yeah. the inside flap.
Right here. You need to, oh, you can't back it, can you?
Okay. You ready, Zach? It's gonna be coming. Scott, you gotta go behind you.
Huh?
Go in front of you. I don't know, is it down there enough to reach him?
Should be.
Probably not.
Yeah, he's got it.
There.
Take it down your way. Oh, if I need to move this down, I guess. That's just wrapped around the corner, so what do you got there? You good? Okay. I just need to get this right here, so. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it. Kirsten, you can move with the camera and commentate, you know, do kind of a play-by-play. Sure, yeah. Get some different angles.
Zoom in, zoom out.
You know, say something like, this is what the animals are doing now. They're in the natural habitat. This is how mammals act in the wild. That's what camera ladies do. Action. Thank you, sir. All right, let's get a measurement here. I'm about 2 5/8. You want to see what we are down there?
Here.
Zach, down there on that workbench? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, there's a blue handled pair of channel locks. You know what channel locks are? Yeah, they're blue handled down there. Can you grab those for me, please? Yeah. They could be on the workbench on this side too. I don't know.
He lays tools down and he forgets. They're quite big.
Let's cut that. Cut that. No, sir.
He's always misplacing them. You find them already?
They were sitting right there.
Oh, okay. Those are the big ones, but that's fine. No, but it's fun. It'll work. They'll work. I have a smaller pair over there. That's all right. Thank you, sir. No, that's fine. No biggie. That's all right.
So how did you fold it at the bottom then? You can have it up as long as you're.
Why don't we flip it this way?
Because you did it the other way, because you can't see. Okay. You want to use these. Remember?
Yeah.
Are you using these?
No.
You're not?
Well, you have to flip it again or something. I don't
Oh
know.
no, you can have this up higher.
Yeah.
This can be up higher, so you're utilizing
Oh,
your
okay.
round brackets. That's what we did over there.
Okay.
I don't think that's going to matter, is it?
No, not really. Not really. Film crew. Film crew.
Oh,
What the what?
I think your screw was smaller than the washer.
No, I didn't have a washer on here. I didn't have a washer on the.
Are you using 2 washers?
Well, the screw
Oh.
comes with a washer. That one just didn't happen not to have one.
Make sure you hit the same holes.
All right, we about got this thing licked.
Sorry.
You're good, you're good.
What happens when I don't look down?
Perfect. That thing is. Oh, can you come down a little bit? Up a little bit now. There you go. Uh-oh. Yeah, I guess I got it. Okay. Yeah. I'm going inside there.
Come around, yeah.
Yeah. Let's turn that forward. Well, I guess it don't matter. Well, yeah.
No, this has to be the back side. Yeah, that's the good side.
There we go. Okay. Right there. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we got the boat tarps up there. We got some wood on the outside to kind of keep it flush. We got everything wrapped around the side, so should be tucked in for a little while until we get concrete down here. But it looks good for, I mean, what we're doing. At least everything's protected now, and I'll get in here with the excavator and grade all this ground up, so you know I can get the RV in and out if I need to. I shouldn't need to have it out anymore this year, and then we can get the lawnmowers in and out, tractor in and out of there. Maybe I can get the truck in there too. So we'll see here. But that's what it looks like. Tarps up there. Everything's protected, and that black should pull in any heat too that's be generated. So heat that up a little bit. Anyway, I think this is where we're going to end this video. It was good to get to this point. And I really do appreciate y'all coming back and watching Rolling Country Outdoors. If you don't mind, hit the like button down there and subscribe if you're not, share. And we really do appreciate you taking the time watching our videos. And please take a minute to comment down there too. Comment about anything. You see something I'm missing. I am not perfect. I am not a perfectionist by any means. So if there's something you see that doesn't look right, or concern, or comment, or even positive, make a comment down there if you don't mind. Appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all take care. This is what it looks like on the inside. So we got those tarps rolled around. I think it's gonna be fine. I mean, everything's protected. That's the main thing. I got plenty of room in here to get my truck in here. We're gonna start going through these boards, getting them cut, and then Ann's gonna start staining those. But that's what will go on the outside. And she mentioned having all those black, so that might be something we do. I don't know. But anyway, looks good. There we go.